Hainan Free Trade Port. Why does Xi Jinping keep fighting after repeated defeats? Over the past decade, from the Belt and Road Initiative to Xiong'an New Area, from the semiconductor big fund to the slogan of new quality productive forces, from industrial upgrading to the dream of becoming a technological superpower, the pattern has been the same: high-profile launches, massive resource tilts, thunderous slogans, followed by unfinished failures. Under a one-man system, the will of power drives Xi Jinping to fight again and again despite repeated defeats. The Hainan Free Trade Port has once more been pushed to the forefront, turned into a prop for Xi's claim that he is persisting in reform and opening up. In Xi's eyes, the Hainan Free Trade Port is not an economic project but a political posture project. Under mounting internal and external pressure, what he urgently needs is not real growth, but domestic proof: I am still reforming and opening up. This is Hainan's symbolic role, not to solve problems, but to conceal them, much like Xiong'an, whose function was to manufacture a sense of historic achievement for supreme power. The official narrative is extravagantly packaged, replacing Hong Kong and Singapore, inside the border but outside customs, tariff-free domestic sales after processing, zero tariffs and low taxes, and a higher level of opening. Yet none of these concepts holds up logically. First, inside the border but outside customs cannot exist in a highly centralized system where policies can be reversed at any time. Second, tariff exemptions for processing and value-added are costly and heavily regulated, offering neither scale nor stability, and thus little appeal to global manufacturing. As for zero tariffs and low taxes, in a fiscally near-bankrupt state, they resemble a weasel paying respects to a chicken. Most critically, the Hainan Free Trade Port lacks four foundational infrastructures: a predictable rule of law, a free financial system, information and speech freedom, and a global trust network. Even Hong Kong has been personally destroyed by Xi himself, so what talk is there of replicating or replacing it? Hong Kong's death has already pronounced the death sentence on Hainan. More brutally still, Hainan was born amid severe political regression and deep economic depression. Private confidence is dead, foreign capital is withdrawing, trade is encircled by the US and Europe, domestic demand is shrinking, and public finances are near collapse. There is neither internal consumption capacity nor external market space. Is Xi unable to see reality clearly? Perhaps. But the deeper issue is that the political system does not allow him to admit failure, because doing so would mean the collapse of the one-man system. Hence the need to manufacture new starting points and narratives. The Hainan Free Trade Port is merely the latest script in a pathological political performance. The ending has long been predetermined: it will not succeed. It will